Hello, this is Rod Real Talk. Rod Real Talk about the $25 one-up system, day 13 of my videos on the $25 one-up system. Um, Today, so far, uh, 5 page views, no referrals today, but I want to really go over one of the options within the gold package, and it's which one is it? Just was there. Uh, this one. Yes, the $25 one-up business mindset training. Excellent, excellent set of videos here. And really, no matter what business you're promoting, the mindset is very, very important because I'm going to be honest with you, there are going to be days that you advertise and think you did an excellent job and no response. There are going to be days you get responses and no conversions. That's just business, and that's any business. I'm pretty sure if you go into a retail store, there are days that uh, stuff is flying off the shelf, and then there's days where they rarely, barely make anything. But you have to continue to go there the next day, open those doors, and to be able to do that, you have to have the right mindset. And so these videos here give you and help you with your mindset to be successful in whatever you do uh, by updating your skills, about your goals, uh, just just different aspects of the business to keep you motivated on doing what is necessary to be successful in your business. And one thing that everyone should do, whether is begin to brand yourself, um, begin to post, whether it's social media, whether it's video. And if I was going to give a recommendation, video would be the thing that I would start doing. Video where people can hear your voice, your passion um, about what you're doing, whether you're showing your face or not. Now, I recommend this video. I'm not actually showing my face, but if you are shy, that's all right. Just still get out there and show your face, and people will begin to follow you and see your sincerity and join you. So I just wanted to go over that today as one of the products that you'll receive for the $25. Again, one-time fee. You'll get this training that will help you with your mindset. Day 13 today, I'm just giving you this review, and the money continues to come in. Um, all you need to do really is to take the step. So plug in, get started, look in the description below. You can comment, uh, click on the link, get the information, get started in the business. We have some promotional items for you when you come in at the diamond level. I have a training bonus that gives you resources on where to get traffic, gives you resources on where to advertise your business, not just Facebook. Facebook is one social media site, but we give you a list of other social media sites. Um, the bonus package that would normally cost you $100, and it's really more valuable than that, but I'm giving it away when you come in at the diamond level. You will get that package that will give you so many tools and so many um, options and just more learning. So click the link below in the description. Get started today. Get plugged into the team. So not only you will get that information from me, but our team has an awesome blueprint plan. Blueprint plan. Tongue twisted today, but We have an awesome plan, a blueprint on how to increase your income in 90 days. You set the goal, we give you the steps on how to increase your income in 90 days. That comes when you join our team. You get connected to our Facebook group where there's ongoing training. And also, all you have to do is plug in, invite your members, your teams, your guests to an online live broadcast, and we can do the closing for you. So, again, look in the description today. Click on the link, get started, connect with me, Rod Real Talk, and we can get you going and begin to have you change your financial situation. Till tomorrow, we talk to you then.